the construction of a triangle when two angles and the included side are given. Okay, this is the worksheet 3 of construction of triangle of class 7. In worksheet 3, there are 6 questions. Now the question number 1, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 4 cm, angle B equal to 50 degree and C equal to 70 degree. The side BC 4 cm, B and C 50 and 70 degree. First, the rough figure of this triangle. Suppose here is a triangle. The angle B and C is given at the base BC. BC of 4 cm given, angle B 50 degree and angle C 70 degree. This is the rough figure of triangle. The first step, steps of construction. The first step, draw a line segment. First step is draw a line segment BC equal to 4 cm. Okay. Now the second step, construct an angle B. Construct an angle B equal to 50 degree. And number 3, construct an angle C equal to 70 degree. And next, these angles intersect at the point A. Let the ray BX and CY intersect at point A. And the triangle ABC is a required triangle. Triangle ABC is a required triangle. Now the construction. First we have to draw the line BC equal to 4 cm. BC 4 cm. Okay. Now make an angle 50 degree and 70 degree. Both can be made by a protractor. Okay. At B. This is the center. The ray start from 0. The angle start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Here is the 50. And make an angle 50 degree. This is the ray BX. Angle is 50 degree. At C, make an angle 70 degree. See, the angle start with 0 in the upper numbers. Not from the 180, on 0. Start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Here is the angle number 70. The angle start with 0. This is the vertex of the angle. Now join. CY is a ray. BX and CY intersect at the point A. This angle equal to 70 degree. Okay, the triangle ABC is an required triangle. Very simple steps. You can write in each and every question like this. First, draw a line segment, then construct an angle from B this, C this, and intersect at the point this and triangle. Very simple. Now question number 2. Now the question number 2 is, draw a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 cm, angle B 50 degree and A 50 degree. Also bisects angle A and C. First make the rough figure. Given that the BC is 8 cm, it means the BC, first we have to draw the line segment BC 8 cm. At B, make an angle 50 degree. Angle A, this is the point A, angle A is 50 degree. But we have to draw the angle C. So first we have to find the angle C. Triangle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay. Angle A is 50 degree, B is 50 degree and C Angle C equal to 180 minus 100. 50 plus 50, 100 equal to 80 degree. It means angle C 80 degree. The same procedure. First, draw a line segment BC equal to 8 centimeter. The first step you can write, draw BC of 8 centimeter. This is the point 8, BC 8 centimeter. Second step, construct an angle B equal to 50 degree. 50 degree. Okay, this angle can be made by a protractor. Now 50. This is the vertex of the angle, coincide with the line of this. Okay. Now count from the 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Always start counting with 0. Okay, this angle is 50 degree. Suppose this is also a ray BX. Angle C 80 degree. The vertex C, and start with 0. 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is a point 80. Make an angle of 80 degree and intersect this line also 80 degree. This is the point A. This is the point A. Okay, this is the point A. Bisects angle A and C. This is the angle A and angle C. Angle C is 80 degree. How to bisect an angle? Just draw a arc. This arc, and you can produce the distance in this and cut equal arc from this point. Okay, this point, this is the point here, one arc, and this from second. From where? One end of the angle and end of the angle. Now join. This is the bisector of angle C. Okay. Now bisects angle A. Angle A. Here is the angle A. Just same procedure. Cut an arc, equal arc. From this point, cut an arc, this point. From this and this point, equal arc from both sides. Join. These are the bisectors of angle C and angle A. Okay. Now the third question. Now the third question is, construct a triangle PQR with angle P 70 degree, Q 120 degree and the side PQ equal to 5.2 centimeter. Is the construction possible? Suppose this is a triangle PQR. PQ is 5.2 centimeter, angle P 70 degree and angle Q 120. How it is possible? Because the sum of three angles is equal to 80 degree. If we add angle P plus angle Q equal to 70 plus 120 degree, it means 190 degree. The sum of two angles is greater than 180 degree. Sum of two angles is greater than 180 degree. Okay. So the construction of the triangle is not possible. Construction of triangle is not possible. अगर दो ही एंगल का सम 180 से ज्यादा है तो थर्ड एंगल कितना बनेगा? क्योंकि तीनों का सम क्या होता है, यहां लिख सकते हैं द सम ऑफ थ्री एंगल्स शुड बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. शुड बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. बट the sum of two angles is 190 degree is greater than 180 degree. The construction of triangle is, therefore construction of triangle is not possible. Okay. Now the question number, next question. The construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 6 centimeter, B equal to 40 degree and C equal to 110. This is the rough figure. A, B, C. BC equal to 6 centimeter, angle B 40 degree and angle C 110 degree. Okay. Now the construction of this, BC equal to 6 centimeter. BC equal to 6 centimeter. This is the BC. Angle B 40 degree. Construct an angle of 40 degree. 10, 20, 30 and 40. This is the 40 degree angle. This is a ray BI. And angle C 110. Always see the 110 from the 0, 10, 20 in the upper numbers. Here is the 110 in upper numbers because the angle start with 0. Now extend CY. And these lines intersect at the point A. The angle C equal to 110 degree and angle B equal to 40 degree. ABC is an. Question number 3 is, draw a triangle ABC with AB 4.5 centimeter, angle ABC 35 and ACB 65 degree. Okay. A, B, C. ABC 35 degree and ACB is 65. Okay. Now the very simple construction. BC 4.5, BC 4.5 centimeter, angle B 35 degree, same, 20, 30, 40, 35. Acute angle 35. This angle equal to 35. Angle C 65. This is, here is the 65 from 0 to 65. Okay, X, Y, this point A and is 65. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Simple question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, construct a triangle PQR, PQ 7.5 centimeter, RPQ, angle RPQ 45 degree, angle RQP 45 degree. Measure the third angle. What kind of triangle is this? Okay. First we have to draw the rough figure. PQ 7.5 centimeter. RPQ, this point is R, RPQ means this angle 45 degree. Measure the third angle. What kind of triangle is this? First we have to construct. PQ 7.5 centimeter. Here is the PQ 7.5 centimeter. Now make an angle of 45 degree. The 45 degree can be made by compass. First at Q, for 45 degree, first we have to draw 90 degree. And then bisect 90 degree. This is 90 degree and bisect it. This angle is 45 degree. Okay. Now at P, make an angle of 90 degree. And bisect 90 degree. We will get 45 degree. This is 90 degree and bisect. Produce at and meet at point R. Now measure the third angle. Okay. Now measure. Put the protractor and measure. This angle equal to 90 degree. Okay. This angle equal to 90 degree. This is angle R. We can write angle PRQ equal to 90 degree. What kind of triangle is this? Right triangle. This is a right triangle. Right triangle means any one angle equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this triangle is a right triangle. Okay. Thank you.